What's up, guys? We are back with another episode, and it is a great day. It's cold outside again in South Dakota, but I don't care because Anthony is coming over to the bus today to weld the supports in the transition of the roof that we raised. It is going to be awesome. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I'm so excited. I came to Menards to get some 3/8 inch drill bits because Anthony says that he might be able to plug weld it, which is what they do on bodies of cars, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to get some stuff. I'm going to meet Anthony over at the bus, and it is going to be a great day. I hope you guys learned something today. This is a huge step in our conversion. Excited! What's up, Anthony?
That do that again. You just you can
talk
go
to the camera.
Oh, all the way around. That's awesome.
Yeah, dude. This is called a gimbal. So as you guys can see here, we're standing in the middle of this roof transition, and we have some help here today. This is Anthony, if you guys don't know. He is a welding instructor?
Auto body. Weld.
He could an auto body teacher that can weld. So he came over today. He's going to help us weld the transition on the bus. It is going to be an awesome day. It's really actually nice because it's kind of cool today, so we can all wear long sleeve and long sleeve stuff, and yeah, and be kind of comfortable while all this metal and crazy sparks and stuff are flying everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera. We're gonna get ready to go. We have about half the day here. So anyways, should we clamp that piece to the outside?
Yeah, we can clamp before I actually weld this.
I can also put it right here, I think. And then if I had a big C clamp, that'd be worth the best.
Here's one right here.
That.
We want it to go that way.
So what do you think?
Right? Is that if we look at this, if we eyeball, yeah, that looks right. So the whole thing.
Right. So I'm thinking now.
How do we attempt?
This is
probably really strong.
I was gonna say, what's that?
I said that's probably really strong.
What, the whole, yeah, to move the whole thing over, especially since we've been riveting everything.
Right.
She said make sure it is lined up on the sides. What you do that?
Well, I can, if you watch this, if you go like this,
You'll move it, right?
The only issue is we need it to
Stay there.
If we had room on that side, I'd just hook a truck to it.
Right.
Or a ratchet strap. And
right. And then just pull it that way.
Yeah.
That'd be a great idea. Can't do it to their house. Yeah, so we're trying to, you see this, Tommy? So look at this. This needs to line up with this. And when we pull this together, it just pulls this metal here. And we're trying to figure out a way to pull this that way. It has to pull the whole frame of the bus that way. So it has to, essentially, it has to do this thing. That's what we were doing here, but this moving this metal. So, do you have you're the rope man. You have a rope, right? You could hook a rope to his hitch, park where your car is right there, and then we could tie it to this and just pull it.
Big, yeah. Okay.
You think that would work?
We kind of have to go straight that way.
Yeah, that's.
We don't want to move this. This is where it should be. This
right.
is not where it should be.
Straps. Good. Just throw it that way. And then do what with it?
And go over the roof, and he's gonna put his Jeep right there.
Park it right up against the house.
Are you sure?
And we can just, we gotta go like, I mean, literally we're probably gonna go too far. You know what I mean? We're probably gonna go too far.
Well, I can just attach to the bumper and then just ratchet it.
Yeah, oh yeah, okay.
So that we have the weight to,
Okay.
Tommy drives and rips the frame of the bus off. So Tommy is backing the Jeep up here. He's gonna have a ratchet strap going from there over the roof to the frame where Anthony has his hand up there. And then we're going to ratchet this strap tight because this side of the bus, as you can see, we tried to get this so this was flushed with this here, so the bus isn't all twisted or whatever. So yeah, you can see that there's a gap that big
Thank
there,
God
and we need
for
to
ratchet
get
straps.
the hat channel to touch this metal right here. Really close.
One
more little notch.
That's
it.
good.
That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
It does look better. It's a little off, like it twisted it maybe a little bit, but once you, oh no, yeah, that's easy to get that out of it. Good.
Clamp that there.
Yep. Good.
Yeah, Tommy. Good thinking. Good thinking. Good thinking.
All right, into hams.
I have them too. They're around here somewhere.
Of course you would. Just in case.
I lost one. Here's one. Here's up there.
Yeah. So anyways, you can see right there, all we did was use the ratchet strap over the house and ratcheted that. It was about an inch off, and now it is flush there, and now it's time for welding.
Hopefully.
Sounds good. Look at this dude.
I found another one.
Do you have a small level, Ben?
We have a long level. Do you need a small? Oh yeah, right. You do need a small one.
I did have a small one.
You do small.
Is that one going?
Yeah, it is. Kathy brought it over. She's like, we'll make sure we have good audio. Did you want to put that on the floorboard and see what's up? Because the bus itself might not be level. So if you like try to mimic, like put it in like 2 different spots or something.
Yeah, it's dang close, right on the edge of the right side. Yeah.
It's close. It doesn't matter.
It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, especially since these are the only 2 that are gonna. There are only 2 of those that are level in the first place. So.
Right.
Because do you think after we get these 3 in, are we gonna go straight to the centerpiece? And then
I
we
think
can
you're gonna do both sides first, and then go here.
Thanks, Tommy. Oh, you found those beers? You just suckers. This is like the best ever.
You're gonna get a sponsor, right?
Dang, dude.
That might be hot.
Oh, you broke my clamp.
Sorry, I
Oh.
actually shouldn't have welded it on there.
As soon as he puts it down.
I was gonna say filming with this. Actually, this would probably be the best. Well, what am I talking about? You confident in that weld, sir?
Oh yeah.
Right here we got this Milwaukee metal saw, 5 3/8 inch, and this thing is amazing. It was recommended by my stepdad, and it works so much better than a chop saw. So that's what we're using on this. It's going a million miles per hour, doesn't smell bad or anything. We will leave a link below where you can get this. Thank you. ran out of time. Thank you very much, Tommy, as usual, being awesome and helping with everything. And thank you, Anthony, for helping with the welding. He is pretty freaking awesome at it. It looks awesome. So, yeah, anyways, we're going to have to do this on a different day again. So, we'll see you guys then. Okay, sounds good. Have a good night.
Yeah, I've heard that stupid thing. You poking me in the head or what?